Banks. The pillars of modern society. The engines of economic progress. Or so we've been told. But what if I told you that some banks don't just hold money, they create poverty? This is the hidden truth of the institution that was meant to serve the people, but instead enslaves them. History has shown us that financial institutions hold immense power. In times of crisis, they can either stabilize economies or push them deeper into despair. But there is one bank, a name whispered in financial circles, that has mastered the art of control. A bank that doesn't just manage money, it manipulates lives. Meet Maria, a hardworking mother of two. She did everything right. Took out a small loan to start her business, paid her bills on time, and saved what little she could. But what she didn't know was that her bank was designed to keep her in debt forever. This isn't just a bank. It's a machine built to extract wealth from those who can least afford it. High-interest loans, deceptive contracts, ever-growing fees. Each term carefully crafted to ensure that borrowers never break free. And Maria? She was caught in the trap. They trained us to target the vulnerable, low-income families, small business owners, students. We made them believe we were helping. But in reality, we were setting them up for failure. The more they struggled, the more profit we made. The trap is known as debt slavery, a cycle where the borrower is constantly paying but never actually free. And the bank? It thrives on this suffering. While families like Maria's lose everything, these executives reap billions. Their profits don't come from wealth creation but from wealth extraction, taking money from the poor and funneling it to the top. And it doesn't stop with just loans. Manipulated interest rates, predatory mortgages, unjust foreclosures. Each move designed to tighten their grip on the working class. John had owned his home for 20 years. He never missed a payment. But after a sudden interest rate hike, his mortgage became unpayable. The bank swooped in and took everything. What most people don't realize is that some banks don't actually want you to pay off your debt. They want you to keep paying the interest. That's where the real money is. A fully paid loan is a lost customer. A struggling borrower is a gold mine. This is how modern banking works. It doesn't build wealth. It transfers it. From the many to the few. From the powerless to the powerful. But people are waking up. Protests, investigations, new financial movements. The truth is coming to light. But the question remains, will anything change? Or will the cycle continue? The banks say they serve us. But who do they really serve? And how many more must suffer before the system is exposed for what it truly is? This is the unseen truth. Subscribe for more stories that uncover the truth.